If you want to stop drowning in endless video editing sessions and actually get some sleep, you need to leverage AI as your secret production partner. I pump out a massive amount of content weekly, from long deep dives to quick social clips, and I simply couldn't maintain this pace without an AI-powered pipeline. We are aiming to reclaim about 80% of your time, so let's walk through the actual workflow I use to streamline everything. The most important phase happens before you ever hit the record button, because planning with AI prevents the nightmare of messy, unorganized footage. I feed my raw thoughts into tools like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask for a tight structure, including a hook, 3 distinct speaking points, and a conclusion. Don't stop at just the outline. Explicitly ask the AI to generate a detailed shot list so you know exactly what B-roll or close-ups you need to capture. Once recording is finished, your next major hurdle is audio quality, which is vital because bad sound will lose your audience instantly. Even if you don't have a perfect studio, modern AI tools can automatically remove echo, background noise, and those annoying filler words like and like. These features effectively act as a magic eraser for your audio, making you sound far more confident and professional with just a single click. Now, here is a powerful trick for when you accidentally skip a line. Use AI voice cloning to generate the missing audio segment in your own voice. It keeps your audio perfectly consistent and saves you from the frustration of resetting your lighting and microphone just for a 5-second clip. The real game changer in my workflow is automatic highlight detection, which scans hour-long recordings to find the most viral, shareable moments. Tools like Vizard are brilliant for this, as they analyze your content and serve up ready-to-post clips without you needing to scrub through hours of footage. This saves me an incredible amount of manual labor, letting me simply pick my favorite suggestions and make minor tweaks before exporting. Text-based editing is another massive leap forward, allowing you to delete unwanted tangents or pauses by simply editing the transcript. When you want to remove a segment, just highlight the text, hit delete, and watch as the video timeline automatically trims itself to match. Remember that captions are absolutely non-negotiable for reach, since so many viewers watch content on mute while scrolling. You should use an AI tool that not only generates these captions, but also allows you to style them with your brand colors to keep everything cohesive. Once your clips are ready, the final time sync is the actual posting process, which is why auto-scheduling is your new best friend. Set your preferred windows for posting and let the AI distribute your content across different platforms while you get back to creating. While AI is powerful, it is important to remember that it cannot replace your human taste, context, and creative direction. These tools are built to augment your abilities and handle the boring, repetitive technical work so that you can focus on the artistic choices that matter. Ultimately, moving from a massive hour-long recording to several optimized, high-quality social clips should not require living inside your editing software. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because I am dropping weekly deep dives into the tools that actually get work done. Let me know in the comments what your biggest editing nightmare is, and I will see you in the next one.